Here you can see a Canadian house. Alright, this is very beautiful. And this is the living room. Would you like to have a living room like this? And you can sit on the couch and take a look out there in the lake right from the window. Yeah, so beautiful.
Oh, this beautiful tree.
Yeah. Ichi? You like it here, Moshi? It's a balcony on the other side. So
This area หมดเลย
this is very good.
อันนั้น
So beautiful.
อันนั้นไอ้
This is the house inside.
ค่ะก็มีน้ำก็มีของเล่นเยอะ
That's Michi, my son.
ค่ะ
So you probably get the idea what it's like to be staying here in Canada. So it's amazing for real, guys. Now you realize how beautiful they are, and we see what they have right here in the house. This is a kitchen area. Hi.
Sorry อ๋อนิดเดิมไทยอ๋อลินดาไทยนิดเดิมเหรอ
Guys, we just get ready to go on the canoe. You see the canoe right there?
ห้ามยืน
And that's gonna be a great experience.
เพราะว่าลมคว่ำเลยแล้วนี้จมกันหมดเลยเปียกเลย
So this is a great lake right here. The
first time
Smithers.
พี่ชายคงมาหลายรอบแล้วแหละดังเหรอให้ชี้ห้ามดูบนเรือนะเพราะว่า
Take a look and see the wheat. It's like a fresh water.
รูปเป็นรูปตั้งแต่เด็กๆด้วยอ่ะ
This is a very good experience. So we are getting ready to go on the boat
เพราะว่าเรา
and
อยากถ่าย
let's have some fun.
จะได้ใส่ไว้ในเฟซบุ๊กเอาไว้
สาหร่าย
Yeah, so wonderful to be here, really. Let me zoom in and you find out how big the area is. On the other side of the mountains, on the hill there, there's some houses. So nice. So you wouldn't come here. Oh, that's the aeroplane. That's a seaplane. You see this? You see a seaplane? That's the seaplane, guys. Actually, this kind of plane can land on the water. And that's the canoe. And Yui and Michi getting ready, including me. So right now we're just gonna take off from the canoe and we're gonna go adventure to explore the lake here. Okay.
แม็กซิ Let Daddy sit first and we see
At the last video at the lake here, you can see the lotus look different from Thailand. It's different colors and I don't know what they call, but the water here is cold.
Canadian
That's
lotus
yes, a Canadian lotus. That's that's my wife, and we're here today at the lake. Michi helped mommy, and canoeing on the lake here in Smithers, Canada trips. This time, wonderful trips of all kind of activity we have done so far. So 3 full months is actually great to be here, and I couldn't imagine like this is remarkable experience of the trip, of the journey. Almost 90 days with a long journey before we come back to Thailand.
เหรอ
Take a look and see my boy, he canoeing, and with my wife on the front. It's my duty just to do the video clips right here. So Michi, are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? Say yes. Say yes. Say. Are you happy? Mommy, turn around. Are you happy? Okay, so this is where we are right now. Yeah, so beautiful to be on the boat together. We are canoeing somewhere in the lake. Right now, can you believe it? It's 7:30 in the afternoon, in the evening, which means it's yes, yeah, it's actually like 7:30 right now at night time PM. So you can see my watch, right? You can see my watch. Yeah. So can you believe it? It's even daylight, even 7:30 at night time right now. So still sunlight strong, but we have a great time here going to adventure. My wife, she's a pilot controlling this canoe, and me, she helping my wife do something together. So it's a marvelous experience. Yes, right there, that house, right?
Who is that?
Linda. You know Linda and Carl, right there. That's their home right there.
No, I don't.
Okay. Where you from though? Like, where's your area?
So we just have friends who have the property.
Oh.
We just come down and use
Wow.
it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But if you want to come back and try it, you can do that.
Oh, yeah.
How long are you here for?
Just for tomorrow we leave though.
Oh,
Short time.
just one night. Do you want to try it?
Try like what you do?
Do you want to try this?
It's okay. Thanks.
Thank you. It'll be nice. Do you have to go home tomorrow? Or you
Oh no, we still stay here another 8 days before we fly back to Thailand.
Oh, okay. Where
Uh-huh.
else are you going?
Well, actually, we have 3 months journey from the U.S., and then we come to Canada later, at this time.
Okay.
It's really nice, beautiful mountains and everything. So you from here or?
From Vancouver.
Oh, really?
Originally.
Okay, I heard there's a lot of Chinese, Asian over there, right?
More so now than when I lived here.
Oh.
But yes, you can go in some places and I would be a minority.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So are you going to Vancouver?
Oh, no. We're just gonna fly on the 27th from tourist, to Vancouver and back all the way to Asia in Thailand. Uh-huh. Yeah, thank you.
And to get to another lake, you can actually rent these.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh-huh. And they call what they call again that one?
Stand up paddleboard.
Oh, stand up powerboard. Okay.
SUP.
Oh, okay.
And the great thing now is people come out and do yoga on these things.
Wow.
Really? Oh,
Nice.
how nice. Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. Well, another side too.
Yeah. Did you go very far or very close, Michi?
Very far.
Wow, very far. That's good. Did you enjoy your canoe trip? Did you enjoy? Okay. Did you help mommy?
Say something.
Say yes or no? Dang. Okay. Uh-huh.
Don't talk anything to me because I'm not don't live in Thailand.
This is a nice canoe trip for 40 minutes.
How fine is cool for him storm?
Michi play. This is a moon in Canada here. Yeah, we are right here in Smith.
I know.
You want daddy to kick the ball with you, Michi?
With my mom. My Yui.
Guys, just want to show you right now it's 10:43 at night 4:43 right now. Take a look. You still can see it looks like it's maybe 6 o'clock here in Thailand, but Over here is 10, 10 almost 10:45 right now at night p.m. So how that sounds. Now you can get to see the idea that's the lake that where we've been all day and we went canoeing. It's just a great experience to be here and I like it. So it's very peaceful to be in Canada on this journey and I would never forget the time that we are right here. Okay, so now let's take a look. It's actually 10:45 right now. Okay, at night. All right, good night, guys. Just want to show you a little bit like what time is it here right now and how the daylight looks like. That's the house inside. One thing when you stay here, you have to be careful about. You have to watch out about the bears because sometimes they come and attack you. But it's okay. Good morning, Canada. Good morning, Tewa. Actually, in the Smithers, this is the second day, in our life. It could be it because we might not be able to come back here because this country is huge. It's a great opportunity for once in a lifetime that Talk family has, been coming this far to the North America continents. So this is the house last night we were staying. So we're gonna take off very soon. So I just want to keep all this good memory to see what we have done here in Canada on this journey. Just like I said, it could be once or lifetimes because there's a lot of places in the world, which you can use English and travel with. And you can explore all the adventure and enjoy the nature here. All right, I have to say goodbye to Smithers. And in about a week, we're going back home in Thailand.